to use the factor theorem to solve example 1. So it tells us x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now we can let this one be p of x. So we are going to show x plus 1 is a factor. Now how can we do? If, based on the factor theorem, if x plus 1 is a factor, and then we will have p of -1 equals 0. So this one is our idea. Then we are going to check whether p of -1 equals 0 to determine whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. Now we are going to do in this way. Substitute the value of -1 into the polynomial, and then we will have -1 cubed minus 4, then -1 squared, plus -1 plus 6. So this value will be simplified to this way, plus 6. Then the result is 0. Therefore, we're going to make the conclusion. Based on the factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor by factor theorem. Now, once we have got one factor of p of x, how can we find the other factors? And for the second step, we are going to use the long division. So now p of x is x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6, and divided by x plus 1. Then we are going to use our tape DMS. Then first one, the leading term of p of x is x cubed, and then the leading term of the divisor is x. X cubed divided by x, we have x squared. Then record x squared above -4x squared, because they are like terms, so we make them consistent. Second step, we are going to multiply x squared. And then we will have x cubed plus x squared. This one is multiplication. Then the last step, subtraction. So show the minus sign and all other things in the brackets. Then make sure we are going to subtract vertically, let like terms stay together. Then we will have x cubed cancelled. -4 x squared minus x squared, we will have -5 x squared. Then the first round is done. Then let's continue with second round. For the second round, we can bring next term in the polynomial down. Then we will have -5x squared plus x. So in this part, the leading term is -5x squared. Then we repeat DMS. So -5x squared divided by x, we will have -x. Then record -5x above x. After that, we multiply then -5 distributed to every term in the divisor, and we will have -5x squared minus 5x. Step 3, subtraction. All of them. In the brackets, and still subtract vertically, and we will have positive x minus -5x. We will have 6x left. And finally, this round is down, and then before we start next round, we are going to bring down one more term from the original one. Then we will have 6x plus 6. Then the leading term here is 6x. Then the repeat DMS, then we will have 6x over 6 is, over x is 6. Then record 6 here. Then we will have 6x plus 6x plus x, then subtract all in the brackets. Then we can see all of them, they are the same. Now just record 0. Now the remainder is 0. It means the p of x can be written as x plus 1 times x squared minus 5x plus 6. Then for the second factor, it is a quadratic expression. And we can factorize this one further. So for this, we can use cross product directly. So xx factorized to in this way, and then 6 can be factorized to -2 and -3, and then check -3x, -2x, add them together, it's just the middle term, -5x. Then we are going to give their factors in this way, x minus 2 and x minus 3.